Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add your phone number in the REDnote app. Kindly stick around till the end so you don't miss a step. Now tap on the small settings icon by the top right corner. Now kindly select your country. After that, type the new phone number you would like to bind to your REDnote account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.